to a tips and trick video for SAP Business One. In this video we're going to show you how to assign a shortcut key to your keyboard to launch Windows with inside of SAP Business One. So the first place we're going to go to start is we're going to go to Tools. And once we go to Tools, we're going to open this up and go to My Shortcuts. And you're going to see that Shortcuts right now is grayed out. That means that I have nothing assigned at the moment. And we're going to go to Customize. Now, once we open up Customize, this is where we're going to assign a window to each shortcut key. Now, the first thing is we have our shortcut. So here are my keys, F2 through 12. The idea being that when I hit F2 in this instance, I'm going to identify an area that I would like to launch automatically when I hit that F2 key. So let's say I want to assign a sales order to F2. We're going to open up sales order. These are your menu items here. And then here is what's underneath sales in this example. We're going to click Sales Order, and we're not quite done yet. We need to allocate it, because as you can see, current window for F2 is empty. So we're going to hit Allocate, and you're going to see that Sales Order populates there. Now, we can see that F2 has been assigned to Sales Order. Once we hit OK here, we're going to return to our dashboard, and I'm just going to let this sit here for a second, and I'm going to put my hand on my keyboard and the F2 key, and when I hit F2, a sales order pops up as expected there. Now, let's say I want to remove this or edit or update any more of these. I can come back to Tools. I'm going to go to My Shortcuts. Now you see Shortcuts has something assigned to it. You can see F2 is sales order. Let's go back into Customize. Let's say we want to remove this. We can remove these as we need. We can assign more. You can change it to F3. Whatever customization you'd like to do here, you can do that now. Thank you for watching this video. As always, please reach out to us here at Support One with any questions. Click on the link to subscribe for more content.